want to show you a super easy recipe that can be used with any flavor Shakeology, all right? Now, I'm using tropical vegan strawberry. You want to do a scoop that comes out of the bag, because some of the bags have different size scoops depending on the flavor. So I'm going to do 1 scoop, which equals a red container. This is vegan tropical strawberry. Now, my favorite to use is cinnamon. This is Saigon cinnamon. I find that at Walmart, I find that at Sam's Club, and I use a lot more than most people. But it just brings a punch to it. Try a little bit, you can always add more. If you're going to be using peanut butter, I highly recommend this at Sam's Club. It's called PB Fit. It's inexpensive for this large tub. I can put 2 heaping tablespoons full, and that would actually equal the same amount as a teaspoon because it's powder, it has less fat and things like that. So I like to use this one in place of the teaspoons. I'll put a half of a large banana, counts as a purple. I would say this is about a half of a large banana. Okay. And I put about 4 ounces of cashew milk, unsweetened. Now, by doing that, I don't have to count it as a container, all right? And this is not, I mean, I fill my water bottle up like 6 times a day. So this is just easier for demonstration. I like to have a lot of water. You don't have to have that much if you don't like it. Now, the reason why I'm using peanut butter and banana, even in strawberry, kind of odd combination, but it is the best with the chocolate and vanilla. It's a really super favorite of everybody. I'm just gonna blend this. I use my stick blender. You can totally use a regular blender. I don't know, I just love my stick blender. If you're curious and you wanna know, this is a Cuisinart Smart Stick. I got this off Amazon, and it unclicks like that. And my shake is done, guys. This is 1 red, 1 green, my teaspoon, and I have the cinnamon. It's amazing. It tastes like kind of like a peanut butter jelly sandwich because I'm using strawberry with the peanut butter and the banana. This is really good with chocolate. They call it a chunky monkey. The vegan vanilla tastes like a cake batter, so you add this to the cake batter. It's gonna taste even better. Just make sure if you are not used to drinking shakes, I was not, guys. I hated my Shakeology, hated it for the first 2 weeks, okay? I can understand you may have issues with texture or flavor or things like that. Let's work together and find a recipe that works for you, okay? Reach out to myself, reach out to your coach, and we will figure out a recipe that works for you. We want to make sure you love this. It's great as a meal replacement. It's great as a snack. You can have more than 1 shake in a day if you find you're having nutritional gaps at a couple times throughout the day. For me, I use it to curb my appetite. It is currently around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we won't have dinner till about 5:36. So I need this so I don't go grab some crap out of the cabinet, right? So I hope you guys have a great day. I hope if you have any questions, you will please drop them below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I kept it short and sweet for you today, all right? Have a great day, guys. Let's see if I can reach this to turn it off.